These little birds are flying in front of the window. I got the Eagles playing. I mean, they've never come this close. They fly around and all over the place, but they're in my room here just about. They love the Eagles. I don't think there's any doubt about it. They've been hanging around for, 20 minutes. They're all just right here. They really like this song. Look how close they're coming to the window. The window's closed. I opened the window before to see if it did anything. They didn't change any. Look at that. So maybe all the little bugs are right by the house, or they just love this music. I can't tell you why. Well, thanks to the birds. Since we're here, I talk about my cows. They're over there on that hill, way over there. We can see them. Are they there? Yeah, they're there over on the right by the trees. Like below the second and third tower grain bin there. That's as much as I can zoom. Coming back. We're gonna let the Eagles finish their song and let the birds finish their display. Seems like they're, I was gonna say, it seems like they're quieted down and right by the window again.